Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of simple and functional wood projects for modern living spaces and best-selling. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting simple and functional wood projects for modern living spaces is a rewarding endeavor that merges creativity with practicality, resulting in pieces that enhance everyday life while adding a touch of warmth and character to the home. One fascinating idea is to create a minimalist wooden bench that serves multiple purposes, such as providing seating in the entryway or acting as a decorative piece in the living room. By selecting high-quality hardwood like maple or birch, artisans can design benches that not only showcase the natural beauty of the wood grain, but also provide a sturdy and durable piece of furniture. A well-crafted bench can feature clean lines and a simple silhouette, aligning perfectly with modern aesthetics while remaining versatile enough to fit various decor styles. Adding a storage compartment beneath the seat can elevate its functionality, allowing it to double as a place to store shoes, blankets, or other items, thus keeping the space organized and clutter-free. This thoughtful design not only meets practical needs, but also encourages a more minimalist approach to living that resonates with contemporary lifestyles. Another engaging concept is to construct simple wooden shelving units that provide both storage and display options. In modern homes, where space is often at a premium, open shelving can create a sense of airiness while allowing homeowners to showcase their favorite books, plants, and decorative items. A solid wood shelf, crafted with care, can serve as a striking focal point on a wall, drawing the eye and adding visual interest to the room. Artisans can explore various shapes and configurations, from floating shelves to more traditional brackets, ensuring that these pieces blend seamlessly into the overall design of the space. The choice of wood species and finishes can greatly influence the aesthetic, with lighter woods promoting a fresh, contemporary feel and darker woods adding richness and warmth. The ability to personalize these shelves with unique shapes or integrated lighting can further enhance their appeal, creating a dynamic display that reflects the homeowner's personality and style. Creating simple wooden trays is another excellent way to incorporate functionality and rustic charm into modern living spaces. A handcrafted wooden tray can serve various purposes, from organizing items on a coffee table to serving drinks during gatherings. By using reclaimed wood or new hardwoods, artisans can design trays that not only look appealing, but also provide durability for everyday use. The natural imperfections in the wood can add character, making each tray unique. Additionally, personalizing trays with engravings or unique finishes can create thoughtful gifts or cherished additions to the home. The tactile nature of wood, combined with its visual warmth, makes these trays not just practical items, but also beautiful decor pieces that enhance the overall atmosphere of the space. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Incorporating greenery into modern living environments can be beautifully complemented by simple wooden plant stands or wall-mounted planters. Crafting a wooden plant stand allows homeowners to elevate their plants, creating a stunning display that adds life and vibrancy to the room. A multi-tiered plant stand made from solid wood can showcase a variety of plants, drawing attention to their colors and textures while saving valuable floor space. Artisans can explore different heights and configurations, ensuring that the plant stands fit harmoniously within the existing decor. By bringing nature indoors, these wooden elements foster a sense of tranquility and well-being, making the living space feel more inviting and connected to the outdoors. The combination of greenery and wood creates a harmonious atmosphere that encourages relaxation and mindfulness, enhancing the overall living experience for residents. For those who appreciate organization, constructing simple wooden organizers can transform cluttered spaces into functional works of art. Items such as desk organizers, mail holders, or key trays can be crafted from solid wood to ensure durability while adding a touch of elegance to the home. A well-designed desk organizer can help keep office supplies in check, promoting a productive environment and reducing visual clutter. By incorporating compartments for pens, paper, and other essentials, artisans can create personalized solutions that cater to individual needs. The use of wood adds warmth and sophistication, making organization feel less like a chore and more like an integral part of the home's decor. This attention to detail in both design and functionality ensures that these pieces not only serve a purpose, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of the space. Creating a simple wooden coat rack can also enhance functionality in entryways or mudrooms. A well-crafted coat rack made from solid wood can provide a stylish solution for hanging coats, hats, and bags while adding a rustic touch to the decor. Artisans can design coat racks that incorporate hooks of varying sizes and shapes to accommodate different items, ensuring practicality without sacrificing style. The choice of finish can greatly influence the overall look, with natural wood stains promoting a warm, inviting feel and painted finishes adding a pop of color for a more modern touch. This functional piece not only keeps the space organized but also contributes to the overall design aesthetic, making the entryway feel welcoming and well thought out. In the realm of lighting, crafting simple wooden lamps can elevate the ambience of modern living spaces. A wooden table lamp or floor lamp can serve as a functional lighting source while contributing to the room's decor. Artisans can experiment with various designs, from minimalist styles with clean lines to more intricate shapes that incorporate natural elements. The interplay of light and wood creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, transforming the living space into a cozy retreat. By selecting the right wood and finishes, these lighting fixtures can become focal points that enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. The organic feel of wood combined with the functionality of lighting creates a harmonious balance that enriches the living experience. Crafting a solid wood serving board can also add a touch of elegance and functionality to the kitchen or dining area. A beautifully designed serving board not only provides a durable surface for food preparation, but can also serve as a striking centerpiece during gatherings. Artisans can create serving boards in various shapes and sizes, allowing for versatility in their use. Personalizing these boards with engravings or unique finishes can enhance their appeal, making them thoughtful gifts or cherished additions to the home. The natural warmth of wood in the kitchen fosters a welcoming atmosphere, inviting family and friends to gather and enjoy the culinary experience together. By incorporating rustic elements into kitchen accessories, artisans can create a cohesive look that enhances the overall aesthetic of the space. One particularly engaging idea is to construct a simple wooden side table that complements existing furniture while providing additional surface area. A well-designed side table can serve various functions, from holding drinks to displaying decorative items. By using solid wood and focusing on clean lines, artisans can create a table that fits seamlessly into modern decor. The versatility of a side table allows it to be easily moved around the home, making it a functional addition in any room. Furthermore, incorporating storage features such as a drawer or shelf adds practicality while maintaining a sleek appearance. This attention to detail ensures that the side table serves a purpose while enhancing the overall aesthetic of the living space. Creating simple wooden bookends can also add a personal touch to bookshelves while serving a practical function. Artisans can craft bookends in unique designs that reflect personal style, whether through geometric shapes, animal motifs, or natural forms. Using solid wood provides stability and durability, ensuring that these bookends remain functional while adding an artistic element to the space. The choice of wood and finish can greatly influence the overall look, allowing homeowners to match the bookends with existing decor. This small but impactful addition can transform a bookshelf into a curated display, inviting creativity and self-expression into the living space. For those who enjoy outdoor living, crafting simple wooden planters can enhance patios or balconies while promoting a love for gardening. A wooden planter box made from untreated cedar or redwood can provide a rustic yet practical solution for growing flowers, herbs, or vegetables. Artisans can design planters in various sizes and shapes, allowing for customization based on available space and personal preferences. Incorporating drainage holes ensures proper plant health, while the natural beauty of the wood complements the greenery beautifully. By bringing the essence of nature into outdoor spaces, these wooden elements create a serene environment that encourages relaxation and connection to the outdoors. The emotional connection to handcrafted items is another powerful aspect of creating simple wood crafts for modern living spaces. As artisans pour their time, effort, and creativity into each piece, they create not just furniture or decor items, but objects imbued with meaning and personal significance. This deep connection fosters a sense of pride in the finished product, making it more than just a functional item, but a reflection of the artisan's journey, values, and aesthetic sensibilities. As these handcrafted pieces find their place in homes, they contribute to a sense of belonging and identity, enriching the lives of those who inhabit the spaces they adorn. This emotional resonance elevates the act of decorating from a mere task to a meaningful expression of self, inviting homeowners to curate their environments in a way that truly reflects who they are. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for crafting simple and functional wood projects for modern living spaces. Solid wooden craft projects ideas for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.